Jobsite, Shenanigans. This guy done sunk his truck. Crazy. This guy. Look at him. He's on crack. Getting ready to pour. Pump truck is here, waiting on the concrete truck. So they're gonna pour this footing. It drops like a column down there, and then footing's gonna be down there, and they're gonna raise all this up with blocks. They're gonna pour the footing and the slab in here. There you go. Ready to pour. All right. Ready to pour. Got these things. All right, first concrete truck just pulled up. Fixing to pour it in. There we go. Как раз вовремя включил. Залива путинг сначала или какой-то? We got an issue here. The concrete truck came here, they start pouring concrete, and the concrete is bad quality. No cement in it, just sand and gravel and water. So now they taking all the mesh out, gonna scrape all the concrete out, and I have no idea when they're gonna pour again. Both concrete trucks left. This guy is holding everything together and leaving. I told him to scrape everything out from the low barrier walls. I'm like, I ain't leaving that, because one of the guys said this concrete will never cure. He said like, he can't even call this a concrete because it's just sand and gravel. So, sucks. Concrete company brought bad quality concrete. They're scraping everything out. Man, it's a lot of work. Gotta scrape all that out and bring in new concrete. Concrete today, and I think they waterproofing the front where it's going to be filled up with dirt. I don't. Sorry about it. Gotta get this whole front on the side and the other side.
Yeah. I hope there's no issues. Where is Papa? Is he here?
Where's his truck?
Okay. No, nobody's inside the truck. So the main reason I came today was dropping Andre some lunch off. Cucumbers, mashed potatoes, olives, and some smoked bacon, fork. And I've just picked these up. You want to come out? Came here with the boys. It's Friday today, so let's hope we get our basement wall floors in today. This is their second time they're here. The first time they had the mixture mixed wrong. Что? Another tractor over there. Another house building up there across the pond. Pond is looking a little nasty, not gonna lie. Probably from all the rain we've been having last week. This old dock came floating from over there from the hurricane, so we gotta get rid of that. Everything is really bare. I don't like it. Swing? Swing? Okay, давай. Another big truck, Abel. Truck! Yeah, it's a big truck. Kids love all this big equipment. Abel, is this fun? What? This big cars? You guys installing a light? They're installing the light. They'll be working late into the night. It's already noon time, so they said they'll be here till 10 or 11 p.m. Alan, скажи маме, что это? Скажи маме, что это? Что это? Это? Это домик? Будет домик твой? Где твоя комната? Покажи маме.
Папа.
Там папа, да. А где дом, твоя комната будет? А? Эллен, где твоя комната, ты знаешь? Еще нету, да? Угу. How soon will we be able to tell that the concrete's good? Like right away or позже опять?
Надо вылить pretty much that dirty stuff.
Half the stuff, half the...
Yeah, they need to have the right thickness where they can start natural.
Is this tar? Do you know what this is?
Some kind of waterproof stuff, whatever. Small.
But it's not tar. Well, smola is tar.
I guess. I know.
So it's to keep it from
He said a lot of
getting...
people actually don't do it. He said this is extra, and I'm glad he's doing it.
But it keeps the moisture out of the walls.
Yes, but the walls already come
With a sealant?
with a sealant.
Okay. But, oh, there it comes. You hear it? Abel, you hear it? There it comes. This is so exciting, not gonna lie. Беб, а что это делает? У него кнопка какая-то?
Что?
This guy.
Yeah, he's controlling the concrete flow and everything.
So he has some kind of a...
Yeah, this sperеді держит.
Yes.
Right in front of him.
Yes.
It's like playing a big toy.
Oh, that's nice.
He moves the thing around and
Uh-huh.
I think he can...
So he controls the whole thing, pretty much.
Huh? Yeah, see those, each of those cylinders,
Uh-huh.
he can control it.
Pretty cool. It's like playing with a toy all day long.
В этот раз бетон хороший, работает, заливает он. Все четко, слава богу, а то переживал, что будет опять проблема. Jobsite Shenanigans. This guy done sunk his truck. Crazy. This guy. Look at him. He's on crack. Hey, amigo, what is that? No me grites, tú no eres patrón. Down deal. Just gotta work it to smooth it out, and they're saying they're gonna cut it today too. That's crazy. It's ready to go. All right. It's dark out. About 8 o'clock. Got the whole slab poured. This room over here, can't see, but it's poured. Looking good. Ready to cut it in the morning.
It's gonna go in there if you have no AC here, and then back in the whole sun.
It's gonna be a problem.